Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Wisdom International School's digital classroom for mathematics. So we'll continue with our constructions. Hope you people have completed your work. So here we are going to learn how to draw, how to construct tangents to the circle. Okay, so in the circles chapter we learned about tangents and what tangents are, and what are the properties, few properties of tangents, right? Special properties of tangents. So here we are going to learn how to draw the tangents to a circle from a point. Okay, let's say from a point outside a circle. Okay, if a point is given outside a circle, and how are you going to draw a tangent to that to the circle from that particular point? So I'm directly going to explain the exercise problem. Okay, I'm just going to give you the example of the exercise problem itself. So let's see exercise 6.2, the first question. Okay, it says draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So this is a very simple thing, you would have learnt it in your younger classes. You're going to just draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So let me say I'm drawing a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay, so you just have to take your compass and take a measure 6 centimeter using your scale, and then you draw the circle. Okay, now let me just give a name to it. Let's say I'm giving a name as O. Okay, now from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. So from the center I have to take 10 centimeter away from the center. So this is already 6 centimeter, right? This is 6 centimeter. Now I have to take few more, that is 4 more centimeter. So let me say from here I have taken just 4 more centimeters. All right, so let us say this is my, I will mark it as P. So from this point I'm supposed to draw a tangent. Okay, so how do I do this? So first what I'll do is I will just take this PO, just join the PO. Okay, now draw a perpendicular bisector, bisect this line. What you mean by bisecting is you just you know what a bisection is, right? You are just going to divide this. Okay, this is 6 plus this whole thing is 10, right? So the 10 centimeter has to be divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, so you bisect it. So when you bisect it, you will be getting something like this. Okay, something like this. All right, because the 6 centimeter, right? So it's going to come inside. So let me just say somewhere over here. Okay, so this side it's 5 and that side it's 5. Okay, so now with the take this point as M. Let us mark this as M. Okay, now with M as a center, that is you keep your pointed part of your compass on the M and measure the radius as MO or PM or whatever. Okay, so it's the equal thing, right? So with this radius you draw a circle again. So you draw a circle like this. All right, now this circle is going to intersect the earlier given circle at these 2 points, right? At these 2 points. So now join this point and this point. Okay, so let's say this is our Q and R. This is what PQ and PR is my tangents. Understood? Okay, so that's how I will draw it. Okay, so now I am going to just show you the steps of construction. First, you see, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter because that's what is given to me, and center O. So this center, these alphabets and all, it's my wish. Okay, you can write it whatever you feel like. Whatever you are marking it on the figure, you have to use the same alphabets over here also. So now draw PO is equals to 10 centimeter. So this PO I have drawn it as 10 centimeter. You can actually draw the PO anywhere from the O. See, I can even draw PO like this. I can mark the P over here also, and then I will end up drawing the tangents like this. So it's okay. Anyways, it doesn't matter where I am actually drawing the P. Okay, it could be, it's just supposed to be outside the circle, and it should have a distance of 10 centimeter from the 0. Okay, that is from the center O. Sorry. Yeah, so now PO is equals to 10 centimeter. So P lies outside the circle. Now bisect the PO, that is divide the PO into 2 equal parts. Okay, bisect it, and you would have learned how to bisect perpendicular bisector, how to do that in the junior classes, right? So you bisect it, and then with mark that M as the midpoint. So when you're bisecting the middle point, you can name it as something. Okay, I have named it as M. Okay, now with M as the center and PM as the radius. Okay, PM or OM, it's the same actually, right? M is the middle point, right? So you take PM or you take OM, it's the same. So as the radius, draw a circle. Now let it intersect the circle at Q and R. Sorry, I don't know. Yeah, so it intersects the circle at Q and R. Okay, now then join the PQ and PR. These two are the required tangents. Understood? So similarly, now come to question number 2. I'm just going to explain how to do this. You will do the graphing, draw the figure and also write the steps of construction. Okay, so here they're saying construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So first you draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 4 centimeter, and then they are saying from a point on the concentric circle. Concentric means, you know, this is the center of this particular circle. There's another circle which shares the same center. So the concentric circle has a radius of 6 centimeter. So you draw a circle again of 6 centimeter with the center, same center O. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter. Alright, now they are saying from any point on this concentric circle, like, you know, you take a point over here. Let me take it on a green point over here. Anywhere on this point, you are supposed to draw a tangent. Okay, so what will you do? Again, after taking the point, you forget about the circle and all. You just have to join the 2 points as usual. Whatever we did in the first question, the same thing you have to do it. You know, draw a perpendicular bisector and then you draw a circle again and you find the point of intersection and draw the tangents. Okay, the same thing. So after marking the point, you can mark it anywhere. So you can mark it over here also and then draw the tangents as usual. Okay, alright, now come to the next question, the third question. It says draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So you draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter again. Okay, and then they are saying take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter. So here this is 3 centimeter. So from here you should move to further more. So this whole thing, this should be 7 centimeter. This side one, let's say P, the other side, this side one, let's say Q. Both are 7 centimeters apart. Okay, now they are asking you draw the tangent. So again you are going to repeat the first question as usual. You know, you divide this into 2 parts and then, you know, you draw the circle again. Here also you draw the circle again, right? And then you join the tangents. Okay, so you will get 2 tangents, 4 tangents. Okay, like this. Okay, fine. Now come down to question number 4. So this is a different kind of a question. So here they are saying draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So let us draw the circle of radius 5 centimeter first. Okay, so now this is 5 centimeter radius circle, let's say. Okay, and I am marking it as O as usual, the center as O. Now which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Now let's understand what they are actually asking us to do. So they want us to draw a circle and they want us to draw a tangent in such a way that this particular angle is 60 degree actually. Okay, so now that's a difficult thing, right? How do you figure out that, you know, how to draw the 60 degree thing? So what you will do is, see, in circles chapter I told you the opposite sides. Even during the revision of the thing, I had given you one question which says that, you know, the opposite angles of the things, this plus this should equals to 180, right? This x plus 60 should equals to 180. So what will be your x? See, x plus 60 should be equals to 180. So your x is supposed to be 180 minus 60, which is supposed to be 120, right? So we know this. So now what I am going to do, I will just mark some random point. Okay, it's your wish. You can just mark one point on the circle. So let me say I just mark a point A. Or what did I take? I don't know. Wait, let me see. I think I've taken PQ. Yes. So you just take a point P over here, let's say. Okay. Now from this point P, join this OP, so that's the radius. Now draw keep your protractor. You know what a protractor, right? See, this is what is your protractor looks like, correct? So you just take a protractor and draw 120 degrees. See, if that's very confusing, what you can do is you can just mark the point P over here itself, okay, a straight line. So you just draw a line like this. Now keep your protractor over here, mark how much? 120 degree, because you're supposed to have 120 degree in the middle, right? That's what we found out, right? Because this and this should add up to 60, so this is supposed to be 120 degree, so you draw 120 degree, so that will be somewhere over here. So this is 120 degree using your protractor. Mark it as Q. Okay, now what do? You just draw a perpendicular line, just because you know that a radius and a tangent are always perpendicular to each other. So draw a perpendicular line, a 90 degree. Okay, this on this Q, you have to keep your you have to draw a 90 degree, a perpendicular line. Okay, same way this P and the tangent should also be, the radius OP and the tangent should have a they are supposed to intersect perpendicularly, so you draw a perpendicular line again. Okay, so the point where they both intersect, this will be the point P, or you can even mark it as, you can check it, you can use your protractor and check it, it will definitely be 60 degrees. Understood? So I will write the purpose steps of construction now. So first thing is draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter, so that's given. Then mark a point R on the circle, say anywhere. Okay, you have just marked the R on the circle and draw ROQ equals to 120 degrees. Okay, so I have just drawn ROQ equals to 120 degrees. That's 120 degrees because I have to do 180 minus 60. Okay, now draw perpendicular from the Q like this, from the R like this. Okay, see, draw a perpendicular on OR at R and on OQ at Q. Let the two perpendiculars meet at P. So PR and PQ are the required tangents. Okay, so therefore if you want, you can check it. RPQ will definitely be 60 degree. Okay, so now complete this exercise also in your geometry textbook, geometry notebook. Okay, so inshallah, see you next week. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.